If you're watching this video, you've probably tried credit repair. You probably sent the disputes on your own. You probably bought the letters. Maybe you even paid someone for credit repair, but your results aren't the way that you wanted them to be, right? You're probably wondering, what am I doing wrong? You're not doing nothing wrong. You're just not doing enough. Let's get straight into it. I'm going to give you the answer, and we're going to be able to help you out with y'all collections. Let's get straight to it. Let me share my screen and let's get straight to it. All right, so why disputes don't work and how to legally delete debt collections. So here's what most people do not know. The problem isn't what's just on your credit report, it's basically how it got there and what laws were broken along the way. If you don't know, I've been in the credit repair, funding, consumer law industry since 2021. So obviously, over time, things have changed. I've learned new things. I've learned beneficial things, right? So you just want to focus on the fact that these debt collectors are breaking the law and they're breaking the law all the time. What do? They report inaccurate information. They harass you, obviously. They fail to validate the debts and they violate your consumer rights under FDCPA and FCRA, right? So these are things you got to keep in mind, right? And when they do operate in that manner, you got to realize that you do have power. You got the power to force a deletion. Sometimes what can happen is you can also get paid, right? You can also get a debt waiver, so you no longer legally are obligated to pay it as well, right? It's just about how you go about it the correct way. Power to get the debt waived, and in some cases, power to get paid, like I said. So this here, right here, as you look, one of my students, he had posted basically one of his clients got sued by a debt collector. They got the lawsuit dismissed. He followed what I said, added his own sauce to it, and was able to do it. I say that to let you know that this is very, very possible. If you have been in that mindset where you just don't think that you can remove that collection, you just don't think you can get a debt waiver, you just don't think you can get paid, you can. It's possible. Here's the thing though, disputes don't get you that. Just disputing left and right for 1,000 rounds is not going to get you that. You have to, it gets to a point you got to sue these people, you got to take different measures if you want to get that result. So who does this? Attorneys. They literally go to law school to learn this shit and then they actually apply it, right? So I work directly with a team of literally real consumer law attorneys who specialize in holding these debt collectors accountable. Have I gotten these results helping clients myself? Yes, but I'm not an attorney. So I understand I focus on what my expertise is, which is the funding, right? I know the consumer laws and all that, but at the end of the day, these attorneys, this is literally what they focus on. When we talk about focus, you want to think about whenever you're doing something and trying to succeed, you want to think about the concept in the book, Who Not How. You want to find your who's. When it comes to getting these collections deleted, debt waiver, who should you go with? Someone that works with attorneys or someone that is an attorney, right? If you're doing your everyday to day, focus on what you're good at. So this isn't just about sending an additional letter. It's about auditing your reports. It's about identifying legal violations, actually reading the credit reports, reading what happened. Did these debt collectors text you? Did they call you? Did they email you? Did they mail you? Looking at all of that, right? And then filing legal action when necessary. That's what it's about. And it works, right? So my clients have literally seen collections deleted. Like I said, I've been in the industry since 2021. You can go look at my pages and on IG, YouTube, and look at the results. We've gotten people debt waived as well. And in some instances, we have literally gotten people cash settlements. So this stuff is possible. And here in 2025, obviously, as I'm recording this, this is the most recent version of myself and my business. Here in 2025, we work with attorneys that can make this stuff happen, that do make this stuff happen. So just keep that in mind, right? So there's a level of credit repair that nobody really talks about. People just talk about, the dispute, sending out rounds, people doing crazy stuff like, the trafficking thing. So you want to really operate in a legal manner, right? And the thing is, most people don't have access to it. It's not easy to just build a connection with attorneys that's going to want to work with you, especially if you're a credit repair person, right? Because credit repair gets to that whole notion of negativity when it comes to just doing BS disputes and things like that. So, me as someone that's been in the space for a minute, it took me a while to build up my connections, but I was able to do it by God's grace, right? So, but you do, right? Because you're watching the video, so you got access to this through me. So if you're tired of fighting these collections on your own, or even any negative item on your own, right? It's case by case. FDCPA is just more, it's I prefer those type of cases because FCRA can get pretty complex. But if you're serious about rebuilding your credit the right way with the real legal backing, book a call with us today. What we're going to do is we're going to review your credit reports. We're going to look for those violations. And if we find them, then we will take action. So you've tried it the normal way. Maybe you've paid for credit repair, other people, you got scammed, maybe. Maybe you tried it on your own and ultimately you just got no results, right? So this is a different way in terms of trying to go about it. This is the legal way. So you can click the link below and schedule your free consultation with us, and we will assess your situation. This is not for everyone, though. It's for people who are ready to stop guessing, stop hoping, and finally fix their credit with the proper strategy, support, and legal firepower behind them, right? So you've got to understand that when you're watching something, if somebody has access to something that you want, you got to take action, right? That's just what you got to do. So if that's you, I'll talk to you soon. With that being said, hopefully this was helpful, and I hope that y'all make the right decision. Y'all have a blessed one.